my terminal. So I use this my terminal daily after the scan completes. So at every day 8 p.m. around, the end of the day scan completes and we get new stocks in scanners. Everything is updated as per the today's uh, market data, and after that I go to this my terminal. So in my terminal, you see it is a very good tool for your analysis. So you see a chart here where VWAP is plotted, you have 10 DMA, 20 DMA, everything is there, 52 week highs are plotted. Okay, then here you have the pivot, support, resistance and resistance levels. Then you have ADX RS volume things. Then you also have the swing edge intelligence, the back test results also. So here are the back test results also in last 2 years. So using these data, you can check which stock is actually good for swing trading. So what I do, I one by one I check the stock, and if any of the stock is creating a good pattern, like a flag pattern or something like this TVS motor. So this stock came in our scanner on around 22nd or 20th 1st July, and from there it has moved around 20% or 15-16%. So here you can see it was like this was a clear breakout, this was a long-term breakout. So you could have clearly entered here and then a good returns could be made. So simply what you have to do is you just star it so that it comes into your starred list, and then maybe you can perhaps add a note also that this is my entry zone. If so, you can simply save a note also. So now when you check your starred stocks, you can simply see that you have mentioned a entry zone here. So, and that's how you can take your trades. So this is Ratnaveer, this is Siemens. So you can see Siemens also like a clear flag formation and then a typical flag breakout on 30th July, and from here it has moved again 10-15% again. So now this Deepak Fertilizer, so this is again creating a flag here. You can see a very range bound stock in range from 9th June. So now you can again just add it to your list by clicking on the star, and then whenever it clears this 1678 or 80 levels, you can simply plan your trade as per your analysis. So Laurus Lab also again breakout here. Gland Pharma, you can see kind of consolidation in a uptrend channel. So again breakout will trigger a very good move here also. So this is how I basically find all my swing trades. So you can see my starred list, and I just star whatever stocks. Like the Sirma is creating a flag here, it is trying to give a flag breakout also. This Stovecraft, again a flag making stock. Hyrocare, RPTech. So RPTech, I entered here in RPTech around 773. So it is in my list, and after this it was creating a flag, and after the flag breakout again a very good breakout. So very good tool. So if you use my terminal, it's very easy. So you can pick 10, 15, 20 stocks in your start list, and you can simply go to your broker Zerodha or Angel One or Grow, whatever, and then add a trigger on the levels of that particular stock, and maybe whenever the trigger fires, you can simply plan your trades. So in my terminal, you can also choose different category of stocks. So like this is the base formation scanner stocks. Now I can choose momentum continuation stocks. So here if you see, now those stocks are coming which are already in the momentum. Okay, so So here you can see again a flag formation stock. Nelco again flag, then breakout, then again pullback. So you can also plan a trade on the pullback. Apollo pipe, a very good flag formation again. So simply you can just use this my terminal to plan your trades, to analyze any stock. Like for any stock you can just have the daily chart, weekly chart, the monthly charts, the entire stock analysis here, the levels defined here, the backtest results. You can add notes, you can just mark it stars, so it's your it's in your start list. And yeah, that's it. Very very great tool for finding the uh, swing trades.